Come with us to make no-bake cookies. Here's the recipe. First, let's get the pot. I'm gonna be using this pot today. Okay, so we're moving over to the stove for this one. All right, don't mind background noise, but I'm going to double this recipe because I have 5 in the house right now. So I'm gonna do 4 cups of sugar. My assistant left, so let's add the butter. Next is 1 cup of milk. Let's add a pinch of salt. Next is 10 tablespoons of cocoa. Now you stir and you boil for 2 minutes. Okay, so now that I mixed it, while it's heating up, I will leave it here. When it reaches boil, I will leave it for 2 minutes to boil. It's starting to boil, so I'm gonna set a 2-minute timer. While I wait for that to boil, I'm going to get large pans and parchment paper out. I like to lay my pans out like this, but you don't have to do the same thing. I'm gonna take my parchment paper, cover the pans, and then I will going to go back to the recipe. All done. Let's get 2 cups of coconut set up. My timer just ended, so I'm gonna turn off my stove and I'm gonna mix it around real quick, and then I'm gonna add all of my coconut into the bowl. 6 cups of oatmeal. If you're wondering why it's so wonky, I'm using a 1/3 cup, so 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's it for the recipe stuff. Now let's mix it. When it's mixed, it should look like this. Now I'm gonna get a spoon and I'm gonna scoop it out onto the parchment papered pans. Like this. And just let it sit. So my first pan is done, so I'm just gonna pick this up and move it to the other countertop. Let's do the second pan. The second pan's done. I'm just gonna let them harden until they're edible. I guess they're still edible, but we'll let them harden. It should take about 10-15 minutes at the most. So, in the meantime, let's clean up the mess I'm working with right now and what I've already gotten put up. Let's go so I can make my other video of me baking. All done, all cleaned. Now I just gotta wait for the other stuff to arrive for the other video of me baking after school. So, in the meantime, I'm gonna get my muffin pans out. They're not done hardening yet, but I'll see y'all in a minute.